Hey everybody, welcome back to Sid's Club. This week we've been talking all about floods, and when I think about floods, I tend to think about rivers and lakes and how they can sometimes overflow with water. And that got me thinking that maybe it would be fun if we did a little boat project. So this project is super easy, super fast, and you can have a lot of fun with it. So what you're gonna need is you're gonna need to grab a pool noodle and you're gonna wanna cut it up. And as you can see, I took just a green pool noodle and I just sliced it. You can make yours a little bit thicker if you'd like. I did mine kind of thin. You're gonna need a straw and you're gonna need some type of paper. I have kind of this foam sheet, but you could probably use construction paper or really any kind of paper that you have laying around the house. And that is pretty much all you're gonna need. Maybe a hole puncher or a pair of scissors, and that's it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our slice of pool noodle, we're gonna grab a straw, and we're gonna poke this down into there. Now I'm gonna use my scissors to kind of create my hole. Then I'm just gonna take my straw, I'm gonna shove that right down in there. Now, I don't want my straw to be quite that high. So I'm gonna pull it through and just snip it off the back side. Okay, then we're gonna take our paper, foam board, construction paper, cardstock, whatever you have, and we're gonna cut a triangle out, and that is going to be our sail on our boat. So I'm just going to quickly cut out a triangle, just like that. Then I'm going to use my straw to make a mark on my paper of where I want the hole. I'm going to need 2 holes for my little sail here to fit down onto my straw. I'm going to go ahead and use my hole puncher to create a little hole at the bottom there. Then I'm just gonna run my straw up through, put that right up through there, and then I'm gonna take my paper and I'm gonna bend it back, and I'm gonna put another hole right here near the top to push this down onto it. And there we have our little sailboat. It's that simple, guys. I hope that you will give this a try. I'm gonna take this outside and see if I can get it to float. Thank you for joining me. I hope you give this a try, and I will see you next week here on Sid's Club. Bye, guys.